All right, guys, tomorrow's the big day. I've got all the struts sitting here ready to go. The wheels are over at Andrew's right now, but my car is just an absolute mess from the last couple weeks of getting parts and going back and forth and trying to fit everything in. And I really got to clean this thing out. What I'm going to try and do today, is get everything cleaned out, put the struts in the car, go to Andrew's, pick up the wheels and tires, put those in the car. And then I think I'm going to try to fit those seats that we got. I'm going to pull these seats out today and see if I can swap that wiring. And if not, then I'll just post the seats up for sale, get them out of my garage, make a little money. So I'll pick back up when I take the seats out. So decided to do something a little different. I'm going to put a hold on the seats actually, because I realized today being the last day that the car is going to be lowered, I really want to see how my new headlights look with the car low to the ground. I really want to see the front end cleaned up, low to the ground, the way I like it before it gets lifted. So I got these crusty ass, ugly old headlights here. Driver's side's already out. I just got that out. This one I just started on. All you have to do is pull the grill, pull the little trim piece here that goes around the headlight, little headlight bezel like that. 3 10 mils, one here, and one in here. And then there's this rusty little tab right there that is a pain in the ass to come out. But headlights out, gonna unplug the little corner lights here, and then the nice brand new black housing headlights that I got online. Ignore the film that's still over it, the protective film. But these are gonna look 10 times better. I can't wait. Okay, so I've got the driver's side headlight in, but the HIDs that came with it don't want to light. They're just, I think they're just cheap eBay shit. So the stock housings, they're just fit for the same, they make the HID to fit the same size as the stock bulbs. So I'm just going to throw stock bulbs in it, and I'll get LEDs at some point. But for now, to just get the housings in and get them wired up, they look a million times better. I mean, that's so clean. That totally, oh man, it just makes the front end look so good. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna take the stock bulb out of the housing back here and throw that in, take the HIDs out, and just call it good with these. All right, so I got the bulb in, got everything wired up, it's lit, so no issues there. Blinker works, everything's good, so I'm stoked. It looks great. It really cleans up the look of the front end. I can't wait to put the other one in. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so a little in-between clip. I got this trim piece on. I'm real happy with how that looks. Only issue is there's 2 tabs under here. There's a tab here that this slides into, 2 tabs here, and a tab right here. Now the way you take it off is you, let's see if I can do this with one hand, push on this until it pops off of that, and then take your hand and just kind of tap right here until it pops this way, and you can pull it out. Here's the tabs. This one and this one on the new housings are way too big to fit these. But what I like about the SG Forester versus the SF that has the same style under headlight bezel is there's 2 tabs up here for these little clips. Let's see. These clips are lifesavers because pop that in, pop this in, and this little trim piece isn't going to go anywhere. So all you need with these new housings is that tab in there, this one right here, which still fits ironically, and these 2 up here, and it won't go anywhere. So I'm super stoked about that, because I panicked for a second. I was like, oh great, these don't fit. What am I gonna do? Because it looks hideous with a giant gap right here. But fits great, looks great. I'm gonna pop this one in real quick and see how she looks. Well guys, she's all done. Hood's down, grill's on, all the headlight bezels are on, everything's good to go. But look at the difference between this lens and this one. It's just the camera doesn't even do that justice. Like, this is disgusting, and the camera's making it look cleaner than it is. If you can see just all the grime and fog. I've tried cleaning these. I have cleaned these before, and it keeps coming back. So brand new lenses. I couldn't use the HIDs that came with it, which I'm really not that upset about. They came with the headlight assemblies. I wanted the assemblies. The HIDs were just a bonus, so I'm not really upset about that. They're garbage. It's eBay, you know, I expected that. So for now, the stock bulbs are in it until I have money to get brighter LED bulbs. But that, compared to that, I'll have a lot better output from those stock bulbs than I would out of that headlight. Next on the agenda is probably going to be fog lights. This one, not particularly, but this one is getting really bad as far as corroding inside, and that's disgusting. Nobody wants that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go online. I'm going to find some halo auxiliary lights about the same size as this, and I'm going to find a way to secure them well, and I'll have halos with a bulb in the center, and I think that'll look pretty good, especially once it's lifted. But yeah, so that's done. Bye-bye to that junk right there. After that, I think I'm gonna do a different exhaust. My first car was a 06 Forester, and it has the same rear bumper as this, same tail lights, same hatch, all that. But I had a plan for it, and I didn't have the car long enough to do it. What I want to do is I'm going to cut here, and the same on that side, and I'm going to do a 2 into 1 off the header the way they normally are, back into 2 at the end with a Y pipe, and I'm going to have a muffler on each side. So catless, the dual muffler should tone it down quite a bit, but it'll still have that growl, and it won't be as obnoxious as it is right now. It should be really tame and respectable, and I think I'm going to be really happy with it. So didn't get to the seats today. It's getting lifted tomorrow, as I already mentioned. So I wanted to get the headlights in so I could see it lowered. Seats aren't as much of a priority because I have seats in here. I have the same seats in here actually, and I can screw with those whether it's lifted or lowered. That doesn't matter. So I'll get to those another day, and then I'll get a set up for sale. But here, let me turn these on so you can actually see that better. Put the hazards on so you can see the turn signals and all that. Yeah, those look so much better. If I have a picture of the front end before, I'll put a picture in right here. As a comparison. But I have those, and when I went down to New Hampshire with Andrew a weekend or two ago, I put all new LED bulbs all the way down, 2 tail lights, reverse light, and turn signal on both sides. I also did the interior lights as well, but those are off right now. So yeah, she's coming along pretty well. I'm happy. Might get a roof basket for the winter just to be another Subi bro, but you know, whatever. I'm really happy. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. All right, good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. I'm running a little late. Supposed to meet up with Andrew right now. We're gonna go grab the other set of tires in case those don't clear the struts by some chance, because the offset on the wheels is a little questionable. But yeah, so I'm gonna go meet up with him right now. We're gonna head out and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, wheels are in your car?
Wheels are in my car.
I hand the torch to you, good sir.
And we will see this for the last time, at least this year.
At this height.
On its nuts.
We're gonna get some rollers once we get on Route 3 though.
Yes, we are.
All right.
Hell yeah. Start her up, bro. Not gonna lie, I love Maine. Jackson's letting it rumble. And I have no idea where we're going, because I've actually never driven out this way before. So I am relying solely on Jackson. And damn, that thing's sexy.
So I didn't capture anything in between, but she's fucking done. Andrew,
What?
what do you think?
It's high.
It's high. This thing's nasty. This looks so good. I can't get over this. Holy fuck, dude. Wow. Now all I need is an exhaust. I'm stoked. We'll pick some clips up on the way home. So she's lifted, took her for a little test run. I've been hitting some dirt roads, trying to get the fluid film coated in a little dirt, you know, test it out, see how she rides. The wheels aren't even balanced yet, and it rides really smooth. I'm really pleased with how these wheels and tires are the ride quality. I do need to get an alignment, obviously, because I took the coils out and we put the struts in and the lift kit and all that. I want to get 1-inch spacers just because there's a lot of, oh well, the wide angle really doesn't capture it, but pulling these out 1 inch would really help. Man, I really can't get it with a wide angle, but trust me, there's a good gap here from the tire to my finger that would look a lot better with spacers. But yeah, so drives great. I'm super happy with it. It's not too tippy, it's not that top heavy. No, I'm really pleased. So I guess this will be the end of the lifting the Forester video. You guys want to close out the video?
Yes, like and subscribe. Come join us. Woo! In the fun winter world.
I'm not editing that out. They're gonna see you at full retard. So Andrew just went full retard. I hope you enjoy that. But yeah, that's it. Car's done. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
You like it?
It's sweet.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's gonna be fun this winter. More videos to come.
It's time for me to get a 2-inch lift.
Good God. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.